Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Today I'm sitting in a 2021 MG3 and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the cabin air conditioning filter, which is actually found behind the glove box. So I'll reset up the camera and show you how to remove that now. So this can be a little bit tricky to do, but what you're going to do is squeeze in this side first and then that will allow you to remove your glove box. Like I say, it doesn't require quite a lot of force and it is a bit tricky to do. With the glove box now off, we can have a look inside and you can see this black plastic cover here. So over to the left, give that a squeeze and that will come straight off, and then that will actually expose our cabin air conditioning filter. You can just see there the flow is going down, so just remember that when you put the new one in, and just give that a pull and take that out. So that is what our cabin air conditioning filter looks like. So this one is actually a bit dirty, so I'd recommend this is replaced pretty soon. You can see how much stuff is in there. Now you can use a vacuum cleaner and clean these out a bit, so if you want to do that to try and prolong its life, you can, but I would recommend this actually gets a new one. So once you've got the new one, we're going to go ahead, put that straight back in with the arrows facing down all the way in, and then flip that up. We get our cover plate from earlier and then we click that in and making sure it's sealed all the way around. We can now go ahead and get our glove box, click that in, making sure it sits on the hinges both sides, and just rotate that up. Like I say, a lot of force needs to be put into the glove box. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the cabin air conditioning filter on a 2021 MG3. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.